Faster than a speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive, able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Smart Woman. She defends the world against the mistreatment of technology and provides good examples of how to use smart equipment correctly.
Oh no! No Tech Luther is up to no good. He never treats technology with care. No Tech will be demonstrating how not to use your Smart Slate.
Hello, I'm Claire Kent, and today I will be teaching you how to set up and use your new Smart Slate. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the features of your slate, connect the Smart Slate to your computer, and use your slate to better your learning environment of any classroom. Teachers and students can use the Smart Slate to control computer applications and make notes on a smart board, smart podium interactive pen display, or any computer projected image from anywhere in your classroom. This wireless technology allows teachers to present from up to 54 feet away. It allows students to give feedback or solve problems using the slate from their desks. Again, throughout this video, you will learn about the features of the Smart Slate, connecting the slate to your computer, and how to use your slate properly. Let's begin with the components of our slate. The natural starting point of our slate is the power button and status indicators. The power indicator shows the current power state and charge status of your wireless slate, located right here. If the power indicator glows green, the battery is fully charged, or the wireless slate is connected to your computer with a USB cable. If the power indicator glows in amber or red, the battery charge is low. The status indicator shows the wireless connection status of the slate and whether the pen is interacting with the display. If the status indicator glows a pale blue, the wireless slate is connected to your computer. If the status indicator glows a dark green, then the pen is interacting with the workspace. If the status indicator blinks green, the slate is searching for your computer. Next, along the top of your workspace are the function buttons. Today, we are working with the Airliner wireless slate, which has two function buttons. By default, the left function button opens the floating tools toolbar. The right function button launches the notebook software. Now, here is your interactive workspace, which integrates with your computer and smartboard software to create an interactive environment. Using the interactive workspace, you can control your computer with the tethered pen and write over any application with digital ink. Directly to the right of the interactive workspace is the underlay icon strip. This tool strip enables you to change pen colors quickly, access the most frequent used features of your smartboard software. The top button returns your pen to a left mouse click. The next 5 buttons allows you to erase or change your pen color to black, blue, green, or red. With the remaining buttons, you can change your next pen touch to a right click. You can access the on-screen keyboard, launch the capture toolbar, or launch the floating tools toolbar. The tethered pen is now your mouse. Use the tethered pen on the interactive workspace to control and manipulate items on your screen. Use the pen side switch to perform 2 programmable frequently used functions. Store the pen in the compartment on top of the wireless slate so that it will not get damaged. Now, let's connect that slate to your computer. This looks like a job for Super Smart Woman. Watch as she makes that connection. All right, let's connect that slate to your computer. First, laptops and MacBooks have integrated Bluetooth. Bluetooth just means that you do not have to use the USB attachment that was provided for you with the wireless slate. If you're trying to set the wireless slate up on a desktop, you will have to plug in the Bluetooth attachment to a free USB port on your desktop. Our first step, after making sure your computer is turned on, is to make sure that the wireless slate is on and roaming for a Bluetooth connection. To do this, just press the power button. After it's turned on, make sure you press the connect button, which is on the underside of the slate. It is labeled connect button. Once you push this button, you will notice that the ring of light around the power button will be blinking. This is just to acknowledge that the slate is now roaming for a Bluetooth connection. This slate will stay in this mode for 3 minutes. Alright, at the bottom right hand side of your screen, next to the time display, you should be able to see a Bluetooth symbol right here in your icon box. See, check it out. Right here is our Bluetooth symbol. We're going to right click this icon, then we're going to scroll on up to add a device. This is going to put us on a screen that's going to search for a device to add to our computer. Our wireless slate popped right up. It might take yours just a few moments. You're going to click this, then proceed on to the next button. It's going to connect to your device. Very, very good. Now, we're going to just go ahead and pair without using the code. This is fine. It is not a safety hazard. It just provides an insecure connection. So if you have other wireless things, they can also connect to your airliner. So here we go. It's configuring. Ta-da! This device has been successfully added to your computer.
Let's watch No Tech Luther and Smart Woman using some of the features of the Smart Slate technology. No Tech tries to write on the Smart Slate with a pencil. You should never write on the Smart Slate with anything but the Smart Pen. That's not right, No Tech.
No!
Smart Woman uses the pen to write over the desktop with digital ink. She picks up the pen, selects a digital ink color from the icon strip, presses and holds the lower pen button to write on the interactive workspace. No Tech tries to erase digital ink notes without using the Smart Slate. Wrong again. This looks like a job for Smart Woman. To erase your digital ink notes, press the eraser tool button on the icon strip, or use the eraser end of the pen. And move the pen in a smooth motion over the interactive workspace. Here, Smart Woman demonstrates how to return the pen to mouse mode. Release the lower pen button, or press the cursor button on the icon strip to return the pen to mouse mode. Oh no! No Tech tries to return the pen to mouse mode by offering it cheese.
In conclusion, you can use the Smart Slate to control computer applications and make notes on the Smart Board, Smart Podium Interactive Pen Display, or any computer projected image from anywhere in your classroom. You can customize the tethered pen buttons and the underlay icon strips to suit your needs and deliver engaging, collaborative lessons that are interactive and accessible. Thank you for tuning in. This is Claire Kent, signing out.